We will get to all those stories here in just a moment, but first, right now, jurors are deliberating on whether they will sentence a man to life or death. The jury convicted Christopher Vasata on 3 counts of first-degree murder and 1 count of attempted first-degree murder that happened last week. Vasata, one of the accused shooters in that Jupiter triple murder from Super Bowl Sunday back in 2017. His attorneys in the last few days have tried to show jurors a complicated and painful childhood that he had, saying that it certainly does not excuse his actions, but that the jury should know about his past to decide whether he lives or dies. In these last 2 days, Vasata's family has made pleas as well to the jury, and they have also heard certainly from the sufferings of the family members of the victims. Of course, as soon as these deliberations are wrapped and the jury has a recommendation handed to the judge, we will take you live inside that Palm Beach County courtroom. They're getting ready, meanwhile, for round 2 in Miami today. The second group of presidential candidates will be on the stage for a 2-hour debate tonight. WPTV News Channel 5's Michael Williams is at the site of the debate. He's joining us live with that prep story. Michael?
Good evening, Shannon. I'm at the Media Filing Center once again, ready for the second 10 candidates to take the stages on issues so vital to you and your pocketbook. Medicare for all. What will your health care look like? What will education look like for your children? Will there be free tuition in the future? All these kind of things that directly impact you, about to be debated yet again tonight. A live look at the debate hall where the second 10 candidates will go under the limelight tonight with millions watching them nationwide and internationally. Bernie Sanders, the progressive Democrat from Vermont, the senator from Vermont and the self-described Democratic Socialist will be there. He'll be joined by Kamala Harris in the top tier of candidates. Also, Pete Buttigieg, the up-and-coming mayor from South Bend, Indiana, will be there, and all of them may be pointed to Joe Biden, the former vice president, the front runner for now, the man who is centrist in his views. But how far will he have to move to join the progressive chant and the progressive cry of his party? What kind of gulf could we see between Joe Biden and the others? It will all be interesting, and we'll have all of it for you tonight. For now, reporting live, I'm Michael Williams. Back to you.
Thank you. And moments ago, we learned that a California man is behind bars accused of sneaking into the Democratic National Debate Hall there. Investigators say Austin Ogg tried to get into that Miami venue. Michael's there without any credentials. Around 5 o'clock last night this happened. Apparently he was stopped at that time. They say 1 hour later, he did manage to get inside by telling a security guard he needed to use the restroom. Ogg eventually walked on stage at one point, tried to speak, but was removed by security. He was charged, or has been charged now, with trespassing.